Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Mr. Heater Thermocouple is probably one of the most important safety features of your heater, ensuring efficient and safe operation by constantly monitoring the flame and preventing gas leaks or malfunctions. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting the right thermocouple for your Mr. Heater, from understanding its function to identifying compatible models and ensuring a safe and efficient heating experience. Number 5. Mr. Heater F237349 Assembly. This is the Mr. Heater F237349 Thermocouple Assembly, a vital component for your heater. It's designed for easy replacement and ensures safe operation. It's compatible with various Mr. Heater and Sunrite models, including the MH15T, MH15TS, MH30T, MH30TS, MH45T, SRC15T, and SRC30T. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. Replacing it is a breeze. The simple design makes installation quick and straightforward, even for DIY enthusiasts. This assembly includes a tip-over switch for added safety. It automatically shuts off the heater if it's accidentally knocked over. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Enjoy worry-free heating. This is a direct replacement for part number 17349. Make sure to check your heater's manual for the correct part. What we like. This thermocouple is compatible with a wide range of Mr. Heater and Sunrite models. It's incredibly easy to install, saving you time and frustration. With a 1-year warranty, you can purchase with confidence. If you need a simple, reliable replacement that fits many heaters, this is the one for you. What people say. Changing it took about 10 to 15 minutes, and the heater fired right up, and stayed lit. It was very easy to install, and now I have zero issues with my heater. It fits in same mount point as old one, and the wire is long enough to accommodate the head swivel. Number 4. Mr. Heater Thermocouple F273117. This is a replacement thermocouple for your Mr. Heater. It's the perfect solution for keeping your heater running safely and efficiently. This thermocouple is a direct replacement for part number F273117. Ensure a proper fit and restore your heater to its optimal performance. With a length of 12 to 12 inches, it's designed to fit most Mr. Heater tank top models. Check your owner's manual to confirm compatibility. It's designed for use with the F273116 safety valve. This ensures a safe and reliable operation of your heater. It provides a 30 mV output, ensuring proper functionality with your heater's system. Always check your heater's manual for specific requirements. Always refer to your heater's parts manual to verify the correct part number before installation. This ensures a perfect fit and safe operation. What we like. This 12 to 12 thermocouple is a perfect replacement for part number F273117. Its 30 mV output ensures accurate flame sensing. If you need a specific length replacement and know your part number, this is a great option for you. What people say. Fit and worked perfectly. Easy to install. My Mr. Heater burner number 3 would not stay lit because even when it was hot the gas shutoff thermocouple was not working right. I replaced it and my burners are now 3 for 3. This was the fix. Just make sure that you choose the correct length for your application. Number 3. Mr. Heater F273117 Thermocouple. Introducing the Mr. Heater F273117 Thermocouple Lead, designed for reliable performance with your tank top heater. It's made in the USA with durable construction for long-lasting use. This thermocouple is manufactured right here in the USA, ensuring high-quality materials and manufacturing standards. You can trust in its reliability and durability. It's specifically engineered to work seamlessly with Mr. Heater tank top heaters. This ensures optimal safety and performance. Built to last, it features a robust design that can withstand the demands of frequent use. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's built to endure. This essential component is a safety flame sensing generator, ensuring safe operation of your heater. It's designed to shut off the gas supply if the flame is extinguished. It's compatible with the F273116 safety valve, providing a complete safety system for your tank top heater. This ensures safe and reliable operation. With a precise 30 mV output, it provides the necessary signal for accurate flame detection and control. This ensures optimal performance and safety. What we like. This American-made thermocouple is specifically designed for tank top heaters. It features a reliable safety flame sensing generator, ensuring safe operation. If you value quality, safety, and American-made products, this is the best choice for you. What people say. Works exactly as designed. While adjusting the gas flow, the flame snuffed out and the heater's safety valve tripped the gas flow per design. Light off is simple, just to press the bypass button long enough for the sensor to register the flame just like a water heater. My tank top propane heater would not stay lit. This solved the problem. Was easy to install and was the perfect fit. Direct replacement for Mr Heater tank mount heater. Installed in less than 5 minutes and works perfectly. Number 2. Mr Heater F237425 assembly. This is the Mr Heater F237425 thermocouple assembly. It's a multi-fit part, designed for easy replacement. It's compatible with several Mr Heater models, including the MH15T, MH15TS, MH30T, MH30TS, and MH45T. It also works with select Sunrite heaters, such as the SRC15T and SRC30T models. This ensures a wide range of compatibility. This is a direct replacement for part number 17425. Replacing it is simple and straightforward. It's designed for easy replacement, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. Get it back up and running in no time. The Mr Heater F237425 thermocouple assembly, the reliable and easy-to-install solution for your heater needs. What we like. This thermocouple fits a variety of Mr Heater and Sunrite models and is a simple replacement for part number 17425. Its ease of installation makes it a convenient choice. If you need a straightforward replacement for your heater and value ease of installation, this is a great option for you. What people say. Took 5 m to install. My old coupler rusted out. Works great and primes in 1 to 2 seconds, faster than the stock one which took 5 to 10 seconds. Exact replacement simple part swap. I have an older model of a Mr Heater and this thermocouple assembly adapted easily to it. Number 1. Mr Heater MH35 FALP MS35 FALP thermocouple. Ensure you've got the correct part number for your Mr Heater. Double check your equipment's parts list to make sure it matches before ordering. It's important to verify the part number. This ensures it's the right fit for your heater. Once you have the correct part, installation should be straightforward. Always consult your equipment's manual for detailed instructions. Using the correct part is crucial for the safe and efficient operation of your heater. Never compromise on safety. Please note, this is not an original equipment manufacturer part. It's a high-quality replacement, however. Brand names are used for reference purposes only to help you identify the compatible model. Always double-check part numbers. What we like. This thermocouple is specifically designed for the MH35 FALP MS35 FALP models. Always double-check your part number before ordering. If you are on a budget and need a replacement for a specific model, this is a cost-effective solution. What people say. It fixed my heater. Works just like new. Heater wasn't working right. Wouldn't stay lit. Tried cleaning thermocouple, didn't help. I replaced it with this and all is well. It fit, then it worked. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.